GitHub tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open github.com in your browser. Log into your account. If you don't have one, you can create it by clicking the sign up button on the top right corner. You'll be asked to enter your email, password, and username. Once you've filled all the required fields, click the Create Account button. After that, you'll be prompted to verify your email address. Go to your email and find the verification email, and enter the provided code to complete the verification. Once the verification is done, your account will be ready. You'll then be asked to sign in again. Enter your username and password, and click the Sign In button. You'll be redirected to the GitHub homepage. On the top right corner, click on your profile picture, then click on your profile option. On your profile page, click the Edit Profile button located on the left side. Start editing by adding your name. Then add a short bio and any other personal details you want to include in your profile. Once you've finished updating all the necessary information, make sure to click the Save button at the bottom of the form.